Good morning. We're taking a look at the tropics, starting with Tropical Storm Erin in this update. This was the latest update at 4 a.m. There'll be a new update at 10 a.m. But we've got 50-mile-per-hour winds with this system. It is looking very organized, and convection is increasing as it's making its way into warmer water. Those wind speeds increasing, the pressure decreasing, and it is expected to strengthen to a Category 1 hurricane, the first hurricane of the season, by Friday afternoon. So by tomorrow afternoon, then we're watching for a Category 3 hurricane by Sunday morning, and it will likely stay Category 3 as it skirts just north of the Caribbean islands. Puerto Rico, one of those islands, those Leeward Islands, should be anticipating at least tropical storm force winds and additionally high surf conditions and dangerous surf conditions. Our sea surface temperatures are really heating up in the area that this storm is traveling now. You see, as soon as it moved into those sea surface temperatures that are above 80 degrees, so it quickly started to increase and intensify. It's already looking much more organized today. And then as we get into the warmer water, those deeper colors showing up, that is when it is anticipated to strengthen to Category 3. So it's really matching the forecast with those sea surface temperatures. Tropical thoughts, this is what I'm thinking. Dangerous surf and rip current risk for the East Coast. That's going to be the main impact. Tropical storm force winds again for those Leeward Islands of the Caribbean. And then we also are tracking a tropical wave with impacts potentially to South Texas Friday and Saturday. So there's that tropical wave. And here is Erin again. And there's the break in the high that is going to steer that storm to the north and keep it away from direct impacts to the East Coast for the most part outside of rip current risk. East Coast, there still could be a shift in that forecast, so keep an eye on any changes. But Tropical Storm Erin, no threat to Texas, but this tropical wave is going to move to the north and northwest and likely move onshore as we head into Friday. So it doesn't have a ton of time over water, but may strengthen, has a low chance right now, but may strengthen to a tropical depression or tropical storm. The main impact we're going to feel here in the coastal bend is going to be breezy conditions and our surf increasing. So rip current risk goes up a little bit here, not quite as dangerous as the East Coast is looking with a hurricane offshore, but for us, we're going to see our waves returning, and it does look like we'll have about 2 to 4 foot waves over Friday and Saturday with a period closer to 6, maybe 7 seconds. That will allow a slightly stronger rip current risk than we've had with our flat conditions. Not as great for fishing over the weekend, but it is going to bring some wave action back for our surf. In your 7-day forecast, locally, we are looking at a temperature of 99 degrees today in Corpus Christi. Then our temperatures fall with rain chances going up. I did boost this to a 40% chance of rain on Friday. It does look like we're going to get some scattered activity off and on throughout the day and into the overnight hours. By Saturday, rain chances are trending down, and that will continue to be the case through the weekend. So if you are headed to the beach Friday, while the surf is increasing, you've got to watch out. There is a chance for some thunder, which means lightning could also be in play. John Thomas.